Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Whoop to Apple Health. First, open the Whoop app, tap more in the bottom right corner, then select App Settings, iOS or Settings, then Integrations Android. Next, tap Apple Health, then hit Connect and grant permissions for all relevant data types, steps, heart rate, workouts, sleep, etc. Now ensure background app refresh is enabled for both Whoop and Health in your iPhone settings to allow ongoing syncing. If you don't see live step updates, note that Whoop uploads steps in nightly patch, so you might only notice changes in the next morning. If steps count aren't matching or double posting, entering only Whoop tracked workouts, not imported ones, and re-enabling the integration can help. Some users say Whoop isn't asking for permission to write steps, so reconnecting often resolves that. After connecting, simply wear your Whoop and let it sync automatically. Sleep, workouts, recovery scores, heart rate, and daily steps will flow into Apple Health without extra actions. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.